Hi, I'm Sofia. I'm a late diagnosed autist and I'm part of the training team of Activate's Academy for Autism Advocacy. I'm here today to share with you Activate's new campaign, #MyAutismJourney. A campaign that invites each of us to share our own story, because our stories matter. Personally, I connect deeply with my autism journey because I've experienced firsthand the power of storytelling. It was by hearing the stories of other autistic women, stories that truly resonated with me, that I decided to pursue an autism diagnosis. Diagnosis that has since helped me rediscover who I truly am, who I've always been, and how I see and I experience the world. That's why I'm sharing my story, and that's why I would like to invite you to share yours. So, if you think that your story can help others understand what autism really means, or help others break stereotypes and share the diversity of autistic expression, then join us in #MyAutismJourney. Let's keep growing together and like the others to find themselves too.